Hi there, let's talk about identifying the data anomalies. As a part of this, we're going to talk about anomaly detection, formatting the anomalies, and the limitations. Talking about the anomaly detection helps you enhance your line charts by automatically detecting the anomalies in your time series data. The anomalies can be viewed in both the Power BI desktop application and the Power BI service. Talking about formatting the anomalies, we have got different parameters which can be configured as a part of formatting the anomalies, like shape, size, color, style and transparency of the expected range, and the parameter of the algorithm. Talking about the limitations of the anomaly detection, it is only supported for the line chart visuals which contains the time series data in the axis field. It does not support legends, multiple values, or secondary values in the line chart visual. Minimal of 4 data points are required. It does not support forecast, minimum, maximum, average, median, and the percentile lines. The direct query over SAP data source, Power BI report server, and the live connection to the Azure Analysis Service and SQL Server Analysis Services are not supported. The anomaly explanations does not work with show value as options. And lastly, the drilling down to go to the next level in the hierarchy isn't supported. So that's about identifying the anomalies.